Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. We have got our weekly specials and we're going to show you each and every item that we have for sale this week, and they are different every single week. All of these items have been automatically discounted, so check out the special prices. This lower price will only last this 1 week, so make sure you snatch them up this week. We usually change them every Friday or Saturday, and so check them out and see, are they items that you want to snatch up at this steal of a price. All right, so what do we have on our weekly specials? First off, you're going to go to hookedonpickin.com. You'll come to this screen here, and you can find various ways to go check out some of the new items. So we have multiple different categories you can choose from. Reseller helps, snacks and candy, fun finds, which are just a plethora of really interesting things. Kitchen and home decor, clothing, handbags, purses and wallets, knives and gifts, jewelry, accessories, and toys. And of course, right at the top of the list is our weekly specials. You can also scroll down the page and get a better glimpse of all of the different categories as well. Everything is at really good discounted prices for Christmas right now, and so check them out. So let's go ahead and jump to our weekly specials and see what we have on there. We always have just one page of 12 items that are discounted each week, so what are they? So we have the Home Innovations Multifunction Collapsible Cutting Board. It has been discounted to $9.99. Really super nice, and it's a good space saver. Comes packaged just like this, so it's a great gift idea. But you can make it a bowl. And it's got a drain in the bottom. You can make it a cutting board, or just a container to hold things. But a really nice space saver, perfect for your kitchen, and everything you need. And it's got all the measurements right there. Next, we have our Trumpet Angel Chime. I put this on here specifically because I thought, what a perfect idea for Christmas decor or a Christmas gift. And so, nice trumpet. It is brass in color. Beautiful sounding bell. Does have the pretty beads on it. Can be hung indoor and outdoor. It is created, it is handmade. And so, this angelic chime is made from pieces of scrap metal and created by using basic hand tools and machinery. And it is reused metal, so it's a really neat piece. $14.99 for this Trumpet Angelic Chime. We only have a few available, which is why I put them in the weekly specials. Then we have, this would be perfect for Thanksgiving. We have a bronze wire pumpkin. It's a really beautiful piece. It is 5.5 inches by 7 inches. You can put a candle in the bottom since it's open in the top if you'd like to put a votive there, or just use it for a beautiful decoration piece. So it's a really cute piece, and it is all metal and it's all handmade. So really cool kind of bronze wire pumpkin at the discounted price of $17.99. Then we have these turkey-shaped embellished placemats, great for your end tables in your living room, or to put as a centerpiece on one of your dining room tables, or to just simply use for regular placemats. So they are 14 inches by 19 inches. You're going to get both sets. They are quilted, and so they are quilted. They're solid on the back, but quilted on the front, so this nice soft fabric on the back. And so they're really beautiful, and they do have these bright, vibrant colors. $9.99 for the set of 2. We only have the one set, so snatch them up. Then we have turkey hats. I thought with Thanksgiving coming up, you really definitely need these. We've only got 7 left in total, so I feel like you need to buy these and wear these as the host to your Thanksgiving. So they are only $2.99 for a turkey hat. Fits any size head. Really fun, just fun, playful piece. Wear them for Crazy Hat Day. Surprise people near Thanksgiving. Wear them into work just to get a smile out of people. So get yourself a turkey hat for only $2.99. Then we have, I thought since you're going to be hosting some holidays, this is a pack of 25 white disposable party plastic plates. They're a little bit more durable than your typical paper plate. It's got a silver flower rim on the edge, and they are 10.25 inches by 10.25 inches. So really nice, kind of classic looking dinner plates. Perfect for any occasion. It's a 25 pack, so it's a really nice, kind of just a little bit nicer than a paper plate for your hosting events. And then we have the flashing LED top with music. This has always been a hot seller. Thought I'd showcase it for you this week. It has been discounted to $2.49 a piece. So it comes with the little top button where you basically wind it up with the top, and then you press the button and it spins and plays music as it spins. And so you get to choose your colors. They used to be chosen at random, but no longer. You can pick the black one or the green one or the blue one. We're currently sold out of the red one, but they do all play music, and they're rather large size flashing LED top toy. Super fun to play with. $249 is the discounted price. Then we have our Magic Trick box set. They're only $3.99 discounted. So you can pick the red one, the blue one, the green one. All of the box sets do have different magic tricks in them. So each box has 15 plus tricks in them, and they're all different. So if you buy the magic boxes, you're going to get different tricks in each different color. So if you buy all three, you will end up with a total of 45 different magic tricks. Does have a QR code on the box, and so if you scan that, it shows you exactly how to do the tricks and learn the tricks. And so you can amaze all of your family members by buying this ahead of time, and at the holidays or next time you see them, you can be a blessing to them by showing them some fun magic tricks. So it starts at age 6 plus, so just about anybody can do these tricks. $3.99 a box set, and we've got multiple boxes available. Then this is for the crafters at heart. If you want to make some cool jewelry or DIY projects, we've got 120 pairs of butterfly clutch tie tacks or pin back replacements, and so they're all silver in color. $1.99 for those. So if you've got a crafter in the family, snatch these up. You can basically make really nice pieces, and get some neat smooth stones or some broken earrings. Glue them on there. You can make a fun pin, and they're really fun. $1.99 for 120 pairs. It comes with the pin and the back. Then we have the Kn95 masks, only a few left. We've got some 2-packs, 5-packs, and 30-packs, and they are different prices depending on the pack, but they've all been discounted, and so they have the extra layer of protection. But if you're going to be traveling, these are just nice disposable ones to kind of keep in your car or your purse. So Kn95 masks are available. Then for the holidays, we have this only in a size small. It's a perfect dress. It can be worn as a tunic top or a dress. Does have pockets in it. Really, really nice and beautiful pattern. It is a Christmas dress with a tunic top flare owl reindeer print. The size small will fit a younger or an older child. So if you've got like a preteen child, the size small does have a smaller neckline, and so they can wear it as a nice long dress as well, or a lady size small. And they do fit fairly loose and the softest fabric you'll ever feel, and they do have the 3/4 length stretchable sleeves, but really, really comfortable. And then we have one more Christmas dress available. This is in a size small, and we have one in a size large. They're discounted to $9.99, just like the other dresses, but it's a black poinsettia dress, so just a nice, beautiful holiday dress, and super soft. You can wear it as a tunic top with some jeans, which is how I wear it, or you can wear it as an actual dress, throw some leggings on or some tights, and it's a beautiful dress. And like I said, the smalls will fit probably a thinner lady, or you can also put it on an older teen. So really nice, beautiful top, nice crew neck, $9.99 for that dress. So head on over, check out our weekly specials. Make sure you get all these items at a discounted price. Remember, if you do shop on hookedonpickin.com, you can get free shipping on orders of $100 or more inside the United States. So make sure you take advantage of that. We just recently put a bunch of new products on. Check out hookedonpickin.com on the Facebook page. It always populates all the new stuff on the shop there, and so you'll get automatic notifications there. So thanks so much for shopping at hookedonpickin.com, and of course, make sure you remember in the end, Jesus wins.
If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below, and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin' Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin' Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.